Let's learn how to record our mobile screen. Tap your notification bar. After in here you can see screen record option. You can click on it. In here you can select record audio, device audio or microphone or both you can select. If you want to show touches on your screen you can enable this feature. Now click on start option. Now our screen is going to recording. You can see the time counting on our notification area. After the recording, you can click on this stop button. Now let's check our recorded video. This is our recorded video.